Listen me know. Every flower starts as a tiny seed. Every love starts with one little moment. Jah bless we hearts. No love keeps blooming under island skies. The morning sun kissed the ocean blue. The day my first laid eyes upon you. Soft sea breeze carry your sweet smile, and my heart surrender after a while. Barefoot walking from golden sand, you gently reach and hold me hand. No fancy words, no grand display. Love quietly found its way. Every wave sing a melody, like Jah write our destiny. From that moment we clearly see you were always meant for me. Oh Jah, thank you for this beautiful day, for guiding our hearts along the way. Like flowers reaching for the sun, our forever has begun. Our love blossoms under island skies, growing stronger with every sunrise. Like flowers dancing in the breeze, you bring my heart such perfect peace. Our love blossoms under island skies, brighter than the stars tonight. Hand in hand, forever true. Every day me choose only you. Oh, yeah. Our love keeps blooming. Me love the way you laugh with me, watching sunsets by the sea. Every kiss feels soft and warm, safe inside your loving arms. Palm trees swaying side to side, while I'm standing by your side. Every heartbeat gently say, love grows stronger every day. No matter if the rain clouds fall, together we can face it all. Cause every storm that passes us by, help our love reach even higher. Love need patience, love need care, just like flowers bloom with prayer. Jah keep watering what we share. Our love blossoms under island skies, growing stronger with every sunrise. Like flowers dancing in the breeze, you bring my heart such perfect peace. Our love blossoms under island skies, brighter than the stars tonight. Hand in hand, forever true. Every day me choose only you. Listen me know, every season come and go, still our love continue grow. Not because life always sweet, but because our hearts never retreat. Me find paradise in your eyes, brighter than tropical sunrise. Me don't need riches, fame or gold, your faithful heart worth more to hold. Every flower in the field teach me true love never yield. With sunshine, faith and honesty, love becomes eternity. Oh, look around, the flowers bloom, the birds them sing, the ocean move, everything remind me love was always nature's sweetest gift. Now every morning we give Jah praise for blessing all our beautiful days. Every smile, every warm embrace, fill me soul with endless grace. Let the drums play across the shore, who couldn't ask for anything more. Under the sky so wide and blue, me only want forever with you. As long as the flowers continue bloom, as long as sunshine chase away gloom, my promise till eternity, you forever belong in me. Our love blossoms under island skies, like growing stronger with every sunrise. Like flowers dancing in the breeze, yeah. You bring my heart such perfect peace. Our love blossoms under under island skies, forever shining bright. Together we'll always stay, growing deeper every day. Oh yeah, our love blossoms under island skies, forever. Where love is planted, hope will bloom. And under island skies, our hearts will blossom forever. Yeah. Listen, me know, real love never stands still. It keeps growing, just like a flower under just sunshine. Oh yeah. The day me met you by the sea, me never know what love could be. One little smile, one gentle touch, me heart start feeling so much, like a flower planted in the ground. Love begin without a song. Every sunrise, every day, it blossom in a beautiful way. You hold me close beneath the sky, promise me love would never die. From that moment deep inside, me know you'll always be my guide. Oh, Jah, thank you for this love so true. Every day me choose only you. Like the sunshine after rain, our love bloom again and again. Like a flower, our love keeps growing. It's stronger with every breeze that's blowing. Every heartbeat, every smile makes forever feel worthwhile. Like a flower, our love keeps growing. With every season, love keeps showing. Rooted deep inside our souls, together we become one whole. Oh yeah. Our love keeps growing. Love the way you call my name. Every morning feel the same peace and joy inside me heart. Ever since our love did start, palm trees dancing in the breeze, ocean whisper through the trees, nature sing a melody, celebrating you and me. Every challenge make us strong, teach you where our hearts belong. Love no fade when storms appear, it only grow from year to year. Love need patience, love need care. Every blessing we must share. Jah keep watering this love so rare. Like a flower, our love keeps growing. It's stronger with every breeze that's blowing. Every heartbeat, every smile makes forever feel worthwhile. Like a flower, our love keeps growing. With every season, love keeps showing. Rooted deep inside our souls, together we become one whole. Listen me now, me don't need diamonds in me hand, just you walking upon the sun, watching sunset side by side, with nothing left for eye. Every flower have its day, still it blooming its own way, just like us through every year. Love replace every fear. Missy Evangelia eyes, brighter than tropical skies. Every kiss remind me true, Jah create me just for you. Oh, let the flowers bloom, let the rivers flow every day. Our love continue grow, no storm can pull it apart. Cause Jah plant love inside we heart. Know every sunrise make me smile, knowing you're beside me all the while. Every blessing, every prayer remind me true love always there. Let the drums play through the night, everything just feels so right. Island breeze and moonlight glow, watch our beautiful garden grow. Forever growing, just like a tropical flower, blessed by Jah forever. Yeah. Listen, me know every flower has a place to bloom, every heart has a place to belong. Jah led me straight to you, where our hearts bloom. Yeah. The morning sunrise over the sea, like just smiling down upon you and me. Golden light upon the shore, me never felt this way before. You came into my life so sweet, like a melody with every beat. One little smile, one gentle touch, me never know love could mean so much. Me heart was searching all alone, trying to find a place called home. Then you phoned me by the tide, no me never leave your side. Oh Jah, thank you for this love so true, for bringing me close to you. Like flowers opening to the light, our love keeps shining bright. Where our hearts bloom and love grows stronger every day. Like flowers reaching for the sun, our forever has begun. Where our hearts bloom and open happiness around. Every kiss and every smile make this love worthwhile. Oh yeah, where our hearts bloom. Me love the way you hold me close, more than anybody knows. Every laugh and every prayer show me true love living here. Palm trees dancing in the breeze, ocean singing peacefully. Nature bless this love we share. Me feel Jah's presence everywhere. Every sunrise paints the sky, every sunset passing by. Tell me love was meant to grow, more than words could ever show. Love need kindness, love need care. Every blessing we must share, hand in hand we'll always go. Where our hearts bloom, love grows stronger every day. Like flowers reaching for the sun, our forever has begun. Where our hearts bloom, hey, open happiness around. Every kiss and every smile make this love worthwhile. Listen now, me don't need castles by the sea, as long as you're there with me. Every moment feels so right, from morning until moonlight. When the rain begins to fall, we still stand through it all. Every storm just make us see how strong true love can be. We find paradise in your eyes, brighter than tropical skies. Every heartbeat gently say, love grows deeper every day. Oh, every flower has its season, every heart has its reason. Jah planted love inside our souls, now together we are whole. Now every day me give Jah praise for blessing all our beautiful days. Every hug and every kiss fill my life with endless bliss. Let the drums play by the shore, me couldn't ask for anything more. Underneath the island sky, our love will never say goodbye. As long as flowers bloom each spring, our hearts will always softly sing. Forever faithful, forever true. Me whole world begin with you. Our hearts bloom and love grows stronger heart will grow, and where our hearts bloom, paradise will always follow. Yeah, listen me know, love is like a flower. When two hearts care for each other, it blooms into paradise. Oh Jah, together we bloom. Oh yeah. The morning sunrise over the sea, bringing sweet blessings to you and me. Golden light touch your smiling face. Me know me found my special place. Barefoot walking pon island sand, you gently reach and hold me hand. Every heartbeat, every embrace, feel like heaven wrapped in grace. Me search so long, feel love so true, then Jah guide me straight to you. From that day me clearly knew paradise begin with me and you. Oh Jah, thank you for this love divine, for making your heart meet mine. Like flowers opening to the sun, our forever has begun. Together we bloom in paradise, growing stronger side by side. Like flowers reaching for the sky, our love will never die. Together we bloom in paradise. With every sunrise we realize love is the greatest gift we know, and every day it continues to grow. Oh yeah, together we bloom. Me love the way you laugh with me, watching waves beside the sea, palm trees dancing in the breeze. You bring me out such perfect peace. Every kiss feels soft and true, every dream begin with you. No matter what tomorrow brings, love give me every reason for sing. When the rain begin to fall, we still stand through it all. Every storm just make us see how strong true love can be. Love need patience, love need care. Every blessing we must share. Jah keep watering this love so rare. Together we bloom in paradise, growing stronger side by side. Like flowers reaching for the sky, our love will never die. Together we bloom in paradise. With every sunrise we realize love is the greatest gift we know, and every day it continues to grow. Listen me know, me don't need riches or a crown, as long as your love around. Paradise, no, just a place. It's the smile upon your face. Every flower, every tree tell a love story to me. Nature whisper in the breeze, true love always brings peace. Me see forever in your eyes, brighter than tropical skies. Every heartbeat softly say, I'll keep loving you every day. Oh, look around, the flowers bloom, the rivers flow, the birds them sing. Everything remind me when two hearts love sincerely, paradise grows naturally. Now every sunrise make me smile, knowing you're beside me all the while. Every blessing, every prayer remind me true love always there. Let the drums play through the night, everything just feels so right. Highland breeze and moonlight glow, watch our beautiful love grow. As long as stars light up the sky, me promise never say goodbye. Hand in hand through all the years, we'll conquer in paradise forever. Paradise isn't only where you live, it's where two hearts choose to love every single day together forever. Listen me know. Listen me know. Every flower tells a story, every breeze carries a memory, and every petal whispers your name, oh Jah. Oh Jah. Morning sunlight kiss the garden floor like never ever before. Every rose begin to sway as me think about you today. Me walk barefoot through the flowers bright, everything just feels so right. Every blossom that me see, bring your sweet smile back to me. I close my eyes and breathe so slow, feel your love begin to grow, like nature singing soft and true. Every path lead back to you. Oh Jah, me heart know where it belong. With your love me growing strong, like flowers reaching for the sky. Our love will never die. Every petal whispers your name, like sunshine after falling rain. Every flower softly say, I love you more every day. Every petal whispers your name, nothing ever feels the same. From the morning till the night, you are my heart's delight. Oh yeah, every petal whispers your name. Me love the way you laugh with me, like the waves beside the sea. Every word I gently say, take all my fears away. Palm trees dancing in the breeze, birds singing through the trees. Everything around agree, Jah made you just for me. Me never knew love could bloom like flowers with sweet perfume. Now every garden that me see feel like paradise to me. Love needs sunshine, love need rain, every season let it remain. Jah keep blessing our sweet flame. Every petal whispers your name, like sunshine after falling rain. Every flower softly say, I love you more every day. Every petal whispers your name, nothing ever feels the same. From the morning till the night, you are me heart's delight. Listen me now, me don't need treasures made of gold. Your faithful heart is worth more to hold. Every hug and every kiss fill my soul with endless bliss. When the evening breeze blowing near, me still feel your presence here, like the fragrance of a rose. Only Jah truly knows. Every garden full of bloom, chase away me every gloom. Every color that me see, paint a beautiful destiny. Oh, listen to the flowers, listen to the breeze. Every little whisper bring you back to me. Let you know what me heart can't hide forever. You stay inside, know every sunrise make me smile, knowing you're beside me all the while. Every blessing from above remind me of your endless love. Let the drums play by the shore, we couldn't ask for anything more. Underneath the island sky, our love will never say goodbye. Every sunrise, still whisper your name forever. Yeah. Listen to now. Some love grows slowly, some love grows strong. But when Jah bless two hearts, love grows wild. Beneath the palm trees, the morning sun kissed the crystal sea, while the island breeze surround you and me. Palm trees dancing to a reggae sound. That's where true love first was found. You smile brighter than the golden sky. My heart start flying so high. From the first time you hold me hand, me know Jah had a perfect plan. Like a flower reaching for the light, our love blossom day and night. Every heartbeat softly say, I love you more every day. Oh Jah, thank you for this love so true, for leading me straight to you, like rivers flowing to the sea. Our hearts found destiny of rose wild beneath the palm trees ardent, where the ocean sings in harmony. Every sunrise, every tide brings you closer by my side. Love grows wild beneath the palm trees, blooming free like island breeze, rooted deep inside our hearts, a paradise that never falls apart. Oh yeah, love grows wild. Love the way you laugh with me, walking barefoot by the sea. Every sunset paint the sky, like just smiling from on high. No fancy riches, no diamond ring, your loving heart means everything. Every hug and every kiss fill my soul with endless bliss. When the rain begin to fall, we still stand true it all. Every storm that pass we by only make our love reach high. Love need patience, love need care. Every blessing we must share together forever. Every prayer, love grows wild beneath the palm trees artist, where the ocean sings in harmony. Every sunrise, every tide brings you closer by my side. Love grows wild beneath the palm trees, blooming free like island breeze, rooted deep inside our hearts, a paradise that never falls apart. Hey, listen me now, me don't need castles by the sea. As long as you're there with me, paradise, no, just a place. It's the smile upon your face, every flower blooming bright. Celebrate our love tonight. Nature whisper through the air, true love always blossom here. Me thank Jah every single day for guiding us along the way. Every dream becomes so clear with your loving always near. Hear the waves, hear the breeze, hear the birds through the trees. Everything celebrate the love Jah create now. Now every sunrise make me smile, knowing you're beside me all the while. Every blessing from above remind me of your endless love. Let the drums play through the night, everything just feels so right. Island moon and tropical breeze, watch our love dance through the trees. As long as palm trees touch the sky, me promise never say goodbye. Forever faithful, forever true, me whole heart belong to you. Love grows wild beneath the palm trees arging, where the ocean sings in harmony. Every sunrise, every tide brings you closer by my side. Love grows wild beneath the palm trees, red, forever blooming wild and free. With your guide